Looks like it could be a fish. We'll wait and see if it's just current or a fish. It's probably just the current, but if not, just in case if not, we'll let a bit of slack out, especially if it's a carp. They like a little bit of slack. River carp like that. Dam carp, not so much. Oh, that could be a fish. So there we go. Nah, it's just the current. I have another strategic move I can do. A bit like professional wrestling and wrestling promoting as well. It's all about strategy. What works best to get over with the crowd, what works best as a promoter to get everything over with the crowd. Everyone involved over with the crowd and keep them buying tickets. Whether that's for those who make money or for me, those making money for charity. Emma's Tongue Cancer Charity, that is. And you can support Emma's Tongue Cancer Charity on Emma's, just Google Emma's Tongue Cancer Charity and make a donation there, all tax deductible, anything over $2. And or you can support by buying tickets to Kara's Fight for Emma, Kara's annual pro wrestling show that fights tongue cancer 2794 for Emma. With you guys as our tag team partners, brought to you by Club Kara, Emma's Tongue Cancer Charity, and ICW Central West coming up at the Kara Civic Centre. Buy your tickets now from the Kara Civic Centre box office or website to avoid disappointment. But yeah, as I was saying, strategy. I might take my boots off. Wade out a little bit. I'll take my pantaloons off. Luckily I have compression wear under these. Get my pantaloons off. I'll wade out and make the cast. So I'll turn this off momentarily so you don't all see my feet. And I'll turn it back on when I start doing the casting and the fishing again. See you in the next video.